So these are our results. But one thing with CSS background images is that whenever you are working with images in CSS, it's hard to duplicate these images, but you won't see it depending on the screen. Bigger the screen, you start to see different images appearing multiple times. So we have to always deal with that, whether you see it or not. It's always like that. So come here and say background repeat. My spelling is wrong here. Just give me background repeat, no repeat, so that the image is just one that will appear on the screen. Good, we have that. Now if you look at it, this image is competing with the text, and that's not good. So we have to darken it. We see this sample I showed you here of Rocketman. See that it's darkened so that the text will show. That's the main message. That the image is just a background. So I have to achieve that too. So to do that, before I add before the URL, which is what is put in the image, I write a comma here. Then I'll write linear gradient. So I'm going to use RGB here because we're working with gradient. Gradient has to be at least 2 colors, even if they are the same type of color, but the opacity will vary. The RGB is red, G is green, B is blue, then A there is alpha. This is how transparent you want the color to be so that the image can show. So I'll use black 0. So black is 0. Then alpha I'll say 0.6, means it should be 60% opaque, 40% transparent. So we're using from 0 to 1. 1 means 100% opaque. So yeah, I'll say 0, 0, 0, then 0 point. I'll make some dark as 7. Okay, let me go to view word wrap so you can see my screen fully. Okay, that's that. Then I'll come here, refresh. Let's see, our code has broken somewhere. Oh, sorry. This requires under RGBA. Now, can you see that it's dark now? It's darkened. So you can even increase how dark it is. I'll say 7. Both of them 7. We have this. So now we need our text clear. So let's design our text. Come here, I'll say dot hero. I'll say inside the div that has hero, I'm calling it h2. Then I have this, I'll give it a color of, let's say, orange red. I'll give it a font size of, let's say, 50 pixel. And I'll tell it to go to the center. Text line center. Come here. And so we have here. So let's bring it down. And I want everything to be capital, so I'll come here and say text transform uppercase. Okay. Let's show it again. Let's distribute the letters a bit. Sorry, I can say letter spacing. Let's say 6 pixels. Then for this, I'll do something for the p tag to right there. So we have p tag there. I'll say hero. Then p tag. Then I'll give the color of white, a font size of, let's say, 30 pixels. Text align center. Let's show you. We have this. So let's move both of them down. I'm going to be using margin. We've not touched margin as a topic yet, but for now we'll just use padding. If I use margin to shift background to down, so I'll use padding for now. So this is what I will do. We'll come here. Padding top. Padding is a topic we'll touch in another section of the video. but just follow me. Padding is the space between the elements and the parent element. So the spacing between those texts, which are the children, this h2 and p tag, and this div is padding. Why margin is the space between an element and the outer surrounding. But now we are using margin. Focus on margin. So let's give it some margin, some padding. Sorry. So from the top we have top, we have bottom, we have left, we have right. I will give it something like 30 pixel. Let's see. No, let me give it to the p tag up. Okay, I'm just coming to the h tag. Sorry, padding top. I'm giving like 50 pixel. Let's increase it more, like 150 pixel. Okay, it's coming down more. Let's make it 180 pixel. Okay, that's a bit better. I'll reduce this one so it's not too far from the heading tag. So we have something like this. Can you see that now we're having our background image? This font is quite ugly. So let me just change the font. We need to get a better font. So to do that, font is like handwriting, how your character is appearing. This one is a basic one. So let's get better one. I'll go to Google. I say Google font. Use Google font here, click on it. So let me use Open Sans. Okay, click on it. You can use any font you want there. Click on it, click on Get Font, click on Get Embedded Code, then copy this link here, this link in this place. I show embed code in the head of the HTML, so copy this. Go to your code, go to HTML here. I'll write it before my CSS. I'll call it Google Font. Yeah. And paste this here. Then come down here. Copy this font family here. No. To show me multiple codes. Okay, all we need here is just look at this place. We have one link, another link, and another here. And we just need this third one here. This one that comes with Open Sans. I don't think we need first one. Okay, let's work with all the links for now. Let's leave it what we copied. So I'm not using that. I'm looking for Open Sans. I think it's showing the previous font I've used before. So let's copy this last one here. Your one should not be 3, your one should be 1. My one is multiple because I've added those fonts before. So I'm clicking on this Open Sans here. Then I'll go to my CS. I'll put some universal universal selector here, so it affects the font on my site. Then I will come here and I'll load. Now show what we have. So we have it is Sunday. Go to a new week. Let me add some nice letter spacing. So this bit are 2. So I'll show you letter spacing. I'll give it something like 8 pixel. So we have this. We have this. So can you see this? So this I work with HTML with CSS background image. Thank you very much and see you in the next section of the course.